Just a quick demo of the 3D printed pot design. Here is what I did. If you look from an angle, I think it's possible to see. But I tried to put some numbers 0 and 7 and ground on the bottom side. Then I took the other demo board for the scope plugin, because they're the same size. So just heat melt glued a dual pin row. So this is a 2x8. So this is just to simulate that I soldered this one. So let's have a look how this fits. And it goes, yeah, that tight. And the point of where you solder the cables is in this area, so that the wires can go out this way and have a little bit of heat melt glue or something, and then the cables will go out this way, right? And since the PCB is actually up or down only half the way, that means the PCB is actually what holds these two shells together. Click and align them. See? It's self-centered and self-steered by the PCB. Then we should, these are M2.5, because I just think that M3 is a little bit too big. I made the holes here for, for normal nuts. I also try to use self-tapping, and it's really good for the first 2 times, but if you want to open it, you're not going to be so happy about self-tapping. So this is how the pots they're gonna look like. I don't have the single female connectors yet, so I just took some double ones, and those are actually, if you look at the markings, from a PC motherboard, but they will do fine. And the cool thing is that one is black for ground. So let's simulate that we want to play with this. If we want to put this in channel 1, it's not the first, right, but the next one. So this should go like this. And since the next one, I put marking 0 on that one, so it should be like that. And there is like a 0.5 millimeter of air all the way around, so it's not too difficult to stick them in, so they can move a little bit. Because I hate stuff when it's too tight. So yeah,